Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. New Year's Eve is just around the corner, and what better way to ring in the new year than at home with your family? It's the perfect opportunity to create lasting memories and enjoy some quality time together. If you're looking for some fun and memorable ways to celebrate, I've got you covered. Whether you want to keep it low-key or go all out, there are plenty of activities to make the night special. Let's dive into some awesome ideas to make your New Year's Eve unforgettable. First off, why not start the evening with a family game night? It's a fantastic way to get everyone involved and having fun. Dust off those board games or try some new ones. There are so many options out there, from classic games to new favorites. Games like charades, Pictionary, or even a fun trivia quiz can get everyone laughing and bonding. You can even create your own custom trivia questions about family memories. Plus, you can even make it a tournament with small prizes for the winners. It adds a little friendly competition and makes the games even more exciting. Next, how about a DIY photo booth? It's a fun way to capture the night's memories. Set up a corner with some fun props and a backdrop. You can use things you already have around the house or get creative with some DIY crafts. It's a great way to get everyone involved in the preparations. It's a great way to capture memories and have a blast posing together. The photos will be a wonderful keepsake to look back on. Now let's talk about food. Food is a big part of any celebration, and New Year's Eve is no exception. New Year's Eve isn't complete without some delicious snacks. You can prepare a variety of treats to keep everyone satisfied throughout the night. Get the whole family involved in the kitchen. Cooking together can be a fun and bonding experience. You could make a mini buffet with finger foods, or even have a pizza-making party where everyone gets to create their own pizza masterpiece. It's a great way to cater to everyone's tastes. Don't forget the sweet treats. Desserts are a must-have for any celebration. Maybe some homemade cookies or a chocolate fondue station? Yum! You can even have a dessert decorating contest. For a touch of creativity, why not have a family talent show? It's a great way to showcase everyone's unique skills. Everyone can showcase their unique skills, whether it's singing, dancing, magic tricks, or even telling jokes. It's a wonderful way to appreciate each other's talents and cheer each other on. As the night progresses, consider setting up a cozy movie marathon. It's a wonderful way to appreciate each other's talents and cheer each other on. As the night progresses, consider setting up a cozy movie marathon. Pick out some family favorites or new releases, gather some blankets and pillows, and enjoy a film fest right in your living room. Don't forget the popcorn. Pick out some family favorites or new releases, gather some blankets and pillows, and enjoy a film fest right in your living room. Don't forget the popcorn. Finally, let's not forget the most important part, the countdown to midnight. It's the highlight of the night. You can create a countdown clock and even have a mini ball drop at home. It's a fun way to build anticipation as the clock ticks down. Grab some confetti poppers or balloons to release at midnight for that extra festive touch. The excitement of the countdown and the celebration at midnight is something everyone looks forward to. And of course, don't forget to share your New Year's resolutions. It's a great way to reflect on the past year and set goals for the year ahead. So there you have it, some super fun and easy ways to celebrate New Year's Eve at home with your family. These activities are sure to make the night special and memorable. Remember, the best part about New Year's Eve is being together with your loved ones. So make the most of it and have a fantastic night. Happy New Year, everyone! Remember, the best part about New Year's Eve is being together with your loved ones. So make the most of it and have a fantastic night. Happy New Year, everyone! Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fun tips and ideas. See you next time.